Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove the first column formatting of table in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser, then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document or open your document. Now you can see here are my document. Now I remove the first column formatting of this table. Let's get started. At first you have to select this first column to drag on your mouse. Then go to border white and change 4.5 pt to 2.25 pt. Now go to background color of this column. Now select this background color to white. Now just press outside of this table. Now you can see I remove the first column formatting of table in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.